What is a wallet? How to create it? And why do we need one? A wallet is your crypto bank account. This is where you keep and store your cryptocurrency. There are many wallets out there, and we advise you to use one of our trusted exchanges to activate your first account, which will be your wallet. To create your first account with Binance, Gemini, Coinbase Pro, Bitfinex, or FTX, all you need to do is log into their official website, click on Create an Account, and begin the step-by-step process. Cryptocurrency is not controlled by the banks, and therefore you must be responsible for the safety of your own funds. Upon creating your account, the exchange will ask you for a mobile number or a Google authenticator. Make sure you do not lose your device for the security code. Otherwise, you will not be able to access your funds. Thank you, and we wish you a continued investing success.